Good morning, this is Moshe, Los Angeles carpet cleaning experts. Today we're doing a full restoration super deep cleaning along with a flush out. This is the before. As you can see, it's in really bad condition, and we'll be back with the after results very shortly. Be tuned. Good morning, this is Moshe, Los Angeles carpet cleaning experts. Today doing a full restoration super deep cleaning with a flush out. Pre-sprayed already ahead of time. This carpet was badly damaged. If you think your carpet cannot be cleaned, think again. Take a look at my work. This is what perfection looks like. Customer is going to be shocked in a great way. And we'll be back with the flushing afterwards, rinsing it out after, and take a look at the beauty of my work. Give me a call, cleaned by an expert. Thank you. Good morning, this is Moshe, Los Angeles carpet cleaning experts, showing another short demo. This was a damaged carpet, completely restored. This is one of the steps, doing a full restoration super deep cleaning with a flush out for all the urine. Gonna be flushing everything out, rinsing it afterwards. The flush out basically takes care of pet urine issues that is trapped basically in the backing of the carpet and into the padding, subsurface of the floor, and that really takes care of that issue. And this is what my work looks like. Over 400 live videos on my Facebook and Instagram page and counting. 5-star company awarded by Angie's List, Super Service Award. Give me a call. Good morning, this is Moshe, Los Angeles carpet cleaning experts. What makes me different? Take a look for yourself. This was a damaged carpet. Flushed out all the urine on this carpet, and just take a look at my work. Perfection. So if you have carpet, upholstery, rug, mattress that you think cannot be cleaned and restored, revived, just take a look at my work and call the expert to the job. This is just a short demo. Take a look at the reviving of this carpet coming to life. Customer thought that they needed to trash it, but they're going to be in shock. Good morning, this is Moshe, Los Angeles carpet cleaning experts, and this is the after results after a full restoration super deep cleaning along with a flush out. This was a 2-hour job. This room, complete restoration, revived. The flush out that we did completely removed all the urine from the carpet, backing of the carpet, padding, and subsurface of the floor. As you could see, my work, flawless. Before after, you cannot even compare. 5-star company. Over 400 live videos on my Facebook and Instagram page and counting. Got awarded by Angie's List Super Service Award, which only goes out to 5% of any industry. Give me a call, cleaned by an expert. Green cleaning available for all your house cleaning needs. Thank you.